Now you just said get off the boat. You said you just got off the boat and started pouring concrete. Let's backtrack here and go, what
Is
boat?
that
Like
is that an
were you
immigration thing,
were
or
you like a
were you
tugboat
from the
captain? Were
Oh,
you just
country?
kind of
Or
like hang?
so first out of high school, I jumped onto a iron ore salt freighter, 2010. Graduated in 2009. Jumped on a boat 2010. Um, I sailed on the Great Lakes for about 4.5 years, and I hawse piped my way to write for a third engineering license. Once I wrote for my third engineering license, I went to the Gulf of Mexico, sailed there for 2.5 years, and then we got laid off.